Number 7. Lexus Horizon Motorhome. The exterior looks sleek with smooth curves, a bold Lexus grille, and a glowing LED light bar. Inside, you get soft leather seats, bamboo wood accents, and warm ambient lighting for a peaceful feel. There's a modern kitchen, a rainfall shower, and a quiet bedroom built for total comfort. Powered by a 480 horsepower hybrid V6, it's smooth and efficient on long trips. Starting at $850,000, the Lexus Horizon is perfect for travelers who love clean and relaxing luxury. Number 6. Mercedes-Maybach Grand Cruiser, a motorhome made for ultimate luxury. It features an illuminated Maybach grille, chrome detailing, and a sleek silver body with panoramic glass. Inside, you get executive massage seats, a minibar, a premium kitchenette, and a signature Maybach fragrance system. The bedroom has a king-size bed and a glowing LED ceiling, while the bathroom includes a full steam spa. A 900 horsepower hybrid V8 powers this massive home with ease. Starting at $4 million, the Grand Cruiser is truly a luxury apartment on wheels. Number 5. Volvo Motorhome. Starting off our list is the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a perfect mix of Scandinavian design and smart innovation. The exterior looks sleek and futuristic, with sharp LED lights, smooth curves, and a panoramic windshield that gives it a modern edge. It's built with lightweight aluminum panels and solar roofing for efficiency on long journeys. Step inside and you'll instantly feel calm. There's a warm, minimalist interior with wood accents, ambient lighting, and eco-friendly leather seating. The large skylight floods the space with natural light, giving you the feeling of freedom and openness. The kitchen is fully smart equipped. The bathroom offers a spa-like shower, and the bedroom feels like a high-end boutique hotel. Under the hood, the hybrid engine delivers 400 horsepower with an impressive 800-kilometer range, making this motorhome the perfect balance between power and peace. Number 4. Mazda Motorhome. At number 4, we have the 2026 Mazda Motorhome, a surprise entry from a brand known for its soul of motion design philosophy. Mazda has taken that philosophy to an entirely new level, crafting a motorhome that blends elegance with emotion. The exterior stands out with its smooth curves, glossy red paint, and a futuristic LED light strip running across the body. It looks sporty yet refined, unmistakably Mazda. Inside, it's all about craftsmanship. There's hand-stitched Napa leather, Japanese-inspired wood panels, and a minimalist dashboard with a massive infotainment display. The lounge area feels like a modern home, with adjustable recliners, a hidden minibar, and a panoramic glass roof that opens up to the sky. It's powered by a hybrid rotary engine that delivers 600 horsepower while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. At around $1.2 million, the Mazda Motorhome brings art, innovation, and warmth to the world of luxury travel. Number 3. Ford Motorhome. At number 3, we have the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a futuristic powerhouse designed to dominate the open road. It looks bold and muscular, with 10 wheels, a raised cockpit, and an aerodynamic body that screams strength and performance. Inside, Ford has gone all out with ultra-premium materials, Italian leather, soft LED lighting, and a full-length digital dashboard. There's a cozy lounge area with a built-in fireplace, a fully equipped smart kitchen, and a marble-finished spa bathroom. The bedroom features a king-size bed, starlight ceiling, and smart climate control for a perfect night's rest. Underneath, a hybrid V8 produces over 1,200 horsepower, giving this giant the heart of a supercar. With a starting price around $3.5 million, the Ford Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury fortress on wheels. Number 2. Bugatti Motorhome. In second place is the breathtaking 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a fusion of hypercar power and 5-star luxury. From the moment you see it, you know it's something special. The matte black finish, carbon fiber accents, and signature Bugatti grille give it an unmatched presence. Inside, it's pure opulence. Think soft Italian leather, carbon trims, and digital controls inspired by Bugatti's Chiron cockpit. The lounge includes a retractable 80-inch TV, ambient lighting, and a surround sound system by Bang & Olufsen. In the bedroom, a starlight ceiling and plush furnishings complete the hyper-luxury feel. And performance? Just what you'd expect from Bugatti. Its hybrid W16 engine pushes out 1,200 horsepower, making it one of the fastest and most powerful motorhomes ever built. Priced at around $5.4 million, this is not just a motorhome. It's a rolling symbol of status and perfection. Number 1, Rolls-Royce Motorhome. And finally, at number 1, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, the absolute peak of luxury travel. It's a masterpiece that combines the brand's legendary craftsmanship with a bold vision of futuristic elegance. The exterior is finished in a two-tone silver and midnight blue, with a glowing spirit of ecstasy leading the way. The massive grille and 3D crystal headlights give it a royal road presence that's impossible to ignore. Inside, you're greeted with hand-stitched leather, lamb's wool carpets, and a ceiling that mimics the night sky with thousands of fiber optic stars. Every element is custom-built, from the solid wood dining table to the champagne chiller tucked behind crystal panels. There's a private suite in the back, a full spa bathroom, and a hidden cinema room for on-the-go entertainment. Powering this mansion on wheels is a twin-turbo V12 hybrid engine, delivering a silky smooth 900 horsepower. With a price tag starting around $6 million, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome defines what it means to travel in style. It's not just luxury, it's art on wheels. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 most luxurious motorhomes of 2026. From Volvo's elegant simplicity to Rolls-Royce's unmatched sophistication, these machines prove that the future of travel is all about comfort, power, and prestige. Which one would you choose to take across the world? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxe Life for more incredible luxury content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling even bigger.